Tatlong batang boksingero ang nakasparring ni Manny Pacquiao kahapon. Tinawag ito ni Coach Freddie Roach na the best day of training camp. Nagsalita ng mga amateur fighter na sina Vladimir Sarhankhan, Surlan Chidayev at Ray Beltran. Sumabak din si Pacquiao sa karagdagang 16 rounds ng heavy bag, double end ball, speed ball at skipping rope. Ito na raw ang pinakamagandang training performance ni Pacquiao mula nung dumating sa Los Angeles, California. Nasaksihan ito ng dating napatumbang si Marco Antonio Barrera na naroon hindi bilang boksingero kundi bilang reporter na para sa isang Mexican TV station.
Yeah, exactly. He looked different. The condition, he's more strong. But now he's but very, very different. Well, now he's separated because number one, pound by pound. But this for that become number one in the world.